हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक इन मैथ्स। मैंने विस्पर्दास इस वीडियो में स्ट्रेट लाइन जेई PYQ के कुछ क्वेश्चंस को कवर करने जा रहा हूँ। सो द क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम हियर। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. सो यू कैन सी हियर the question says that the set of all possible values of theta in the interval 0 to pi for which the point 1 comma 2 and sin theta comma cos theta lie on the same side of the line x plus y equal to 1 is. So which option is the correct option? So to solve this question, basically concept is that these 2 points lie on the same side. Same side means they will have the same sign, but if we put the value in the equation, so line here, equation of line is x plus y minus 1. We write this in standard form equal to 0. When we put the point we have the 2 point here. When we put the point 1 comma 2 in the equation, we get 1 plus 2 minus 1. So this is what here 2, right? If we put this point, so we get this 2 and greater than what? 0. So this is positive, basically this is positive. So when we putting this value in the equation, so this is positive, right? Positive. So this means when we put this line, this point sin theta comma cos theta in the equation, that will be also positive because both point lie on the same side. Same side means same sign. So therefore the point is what here? Next point is your sin theta comma cos theta. So when we put this point in the equation, the sign of the value, this here the sin theta, right? For x sin theta, for y it is cos theta minus 1. This will be what? Greater than 0. This will be also positive. So solving this, so while solving this, what we can do here is I can write this as sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta greater than 1. Now what I will do is I will multiply both sides by 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 sin theta, 1 by root 2 cos theta, right? Greater than what? 1 by root 2. So I can write this as cos pi by 4, right? Cos pi by 4 sin theta, right? Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, yes, sin pi by 4. I write this as sin pi by 4 sin cos theta, right? And this is greater than what? This is greater than 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So what I can write this as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b. So I can write this as sin theta plus pi by 4, and this is what? Greater than what? 1 by root 2. And 1 by root 2 basically in sin is pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. So greater than, sign is positive in 2 quadrant, in the first and second quadrant, right? Sign is positive in first and second quadrant, right? Cos CAST in the first quadrant all trigonometrical ratio positive, in the second sin and cosec, in the third tan and cot, and the fourth cos and sec. So in the first and second sin is positive, so I can, what we have here, we have here the theta in the interval 0 to pi. So I can write this values as what here? The theta plus pi by 4, 1 by root 2 greater than, so this value belongs to what? Pi by 4, right? 1 by root 2. And in the second quadrant, it will be pi plus pi by 4. So pi plus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4. So this will be what here? 3 pi by 4. Okay, greater than sign, so just I use the open interval. So from here what we have here? Theta belongs to what? Theta belongs to pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4, comma what? 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4. If we simplify this, so we get theta equal to what? Theta belongs to pi by 4 minus pi by 4, that is 0. And 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4, that is what? That is pi 2 pi by 2. 2 pi by 4. 2 pi by 4. So we get here the theta belongs to what here? 0 comma pi by 2. If you see the option, the correct option we have here, the option A. Option A is the correct option. Okay, let us continue with the next question. So let us continue with the next question. And the next question what we have here? So in the next question we have here is a straight line L at a distance of 4 units from the origin makes positive intercept on the coordinate axis, and the perpendicular from the origin to this line makes an angle of 60 degree with the line x plus y equal to 0. Then an equation of the line L is what? So what I can do here is I can just draw the rough diagram here. So this is your y axis, this is your x-axis, this is your x-axis. So I draw this two line, x-axis, okay, x dash, this is y dash, okay, 0. So what is that? We have this line here, a straight line L at a distance of 4 units from the origin, right? So this is 4 unit from the origin, right? Say this one is M, right? This is 4 unit. Okay, this equation is intersecting the x-axis, intercepts in the positive x-axis, right? Coordinate axis, right? Makes positive intercepts on the coordinate axis. Say this point is A, so this is A comma 0, I just assume this point as B, so I consider this as 0 comma B. So intercept form of the equation of line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1, right? So this is the intercept form of the equation of the line L, right? And the distance from the origin to this line is what? Distance from the origin to this line is what here? This is 4 unit, okay. And what is the next question is, next part is, and the perpendicular from the origin to this line makes an angle of 60 degree with the line. Okay, so this perpendicular distance makes what angle? Makes 60 degree angle with this line, x plus y equal to 0. So this is the line, okay. This makes angle what? 60 degree, okay. So this is 60 degree, fine. So this is your 60 degree, okay. So this angle, this line makes also this x-axis as 40 degree, 45 degree angle, and therefore we can get this angle. This angle will be what? 60 minus this angle we can get, say this one is alpha. So alpha we can get, alpha equal to what? Alpha equal to your alpha will be your what here? 60 minus 45, 60 minus 45. So this is what? 15, right? 15 degree. Alpha is 15 degree. And perpendicular distance we have given, right? 4 units. Intercepts is what? X by A plus y by B, okay. X by A plus y by B. Positive intercepts, right, from the origin makes a positive intercept on the coordinate axis, and the perpendicular from the origin to this line makes angle of 60 degree with a line x plus y equal to 0. Then equation of the line L is, so we have to find this line, equation of this line. Okay, fine. So the two things we have found here, the alpha and what? Alpha and the alpha and this perpendicular distance. So we can use here the what? Normal form, right? Normal form of the equation of line we can apply. Normal form of the equation of line is what? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p the perpendicular distance from the origin, that is 4. So x cos 15 degree, so I write here 15 degree, right, plus y sin 15 degree, okay, y sin 15 degree equal to what? Y sin 15 degree equal to 4. What is cos 15? So cos 15 is basically root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is the value of cos 15, okay. And sin 15 is what? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 equal to 4. You can find the value of cos 15 and sin 15 by applying the trigonometric formula here. So cos 15 you can find this way, 45 minus 30, right, and you can apply the cos A minus B formula. So that is cos A, cos B, then plus sin A sin B, sin 45, sin 30, right, sin 30. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this way we get root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, right, 2 root 2. And for sin 15, say in the same way, sin 15 you can find this way, sin 45 minus 30, and you can apply sin A minus B formula, so you will get this result, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin A minus B formula is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, so we are just putting this value here, and if you simplify, so this is what? Root 3 plus 1 into x, and plus what? Y root 3 minus 1 equal to what? LCM would be 2 root 2, so they multiplied by 4, so that is what? 8 root 2. Now if you see the option, we get the correct option as root 3 plus 1 x plus root 3 minus 1 y equal to 8 root 2. So the correct option is option B. Okay, so let us continue with the next question. So the next question here is the question number 3, and in the question number 3 we have here the equation y equal to sin x plus 2 minus sin square x plus 1 represents a straight line lying in which quadrant, right? Second and third quadrants only, first, second and fourth quadrants only, first, third and fourth quadrants, third and fourth quadrants only. Okay, fine. So solving this question here, so y equal to what here? Sin x into sin what? X plus 2, sin x plus 2 minus sin square x plus 1. So what I will do here is I will just multiply 2 and 1 by 2 into 2, sin x plus 2 into sin x, I write this way, and minus sin square x by 2, right? Sin square x by 2. So for that I can apply what? With the formula 1 minus cos 2x. So 1 minus cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. For 2 sin a cos, 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b formula I can apply here, that is cos a minus b. So cos a minus b, cos x plus 2 minus x, minus cos a plus b, so that is x plus 2 plus x, x plus 2 plus x. Okay, fine. And minus, this is what? Minus 1 by 2, I take this out, 1 minus cos, this is what? 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. Now I can take 2 1 by 2 common, so we have here the cos, this is cancel, this is what? Cos 2 minus what? Cos 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2. We have taken 1 by 2 outside common, so this is minus 1 plus cos 2x plus 2. Okay, fine. So this cos 2x plus 2 get cancelled. Now we have here the cos 2 1 by 2, we have here 1 by 2 y equal to 1 by 2 cos 2 minus 1, cos 2 minus 1. Now I can apply the formula here, cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is what here? 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1. And another one is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, right? So if we convert this in terms of sine, so we can write this as 1 minus 2 sin square 1, 1 minus 2 sin square 1 minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So 1 by 2 we have here the minus 2 sin square 1. Okay, so to 2 and 2 get cancelled, so we get here the minus sin square 1, minus sin square 1. So this is what here? Sin square 1 is negative, right? Sin square 1 before it is negative. So sin is negative, basically sin is negative in the which quadrant, right? Sin square 1. So this is negative in what? Y, basically y is less than, this is what? Less than 0. Sin square 1, right? Before it is negative, so y value is negative, so y is less than 0, y is less than 0, and y is negative in the which quadrant? In the fourth quadrant and third quadrant, in the fourth and third quadrant, quadrant y is negative, right? Y is negative. So the correct option here is third and fourth. So the best correct option is the option D. Okay, let us continue with the next question. Okay, so the next question here is the question number 4. We have in the question number 4, the lines are drawn parallel to this line. So given line, so first I write the given line. Okay, the given line is 4x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. And a line is parallel to this, so the line parallel to the given line, parallel to the given line should be what? Given line should be what? 4x minus 3y plus lambda. Just I consider the plus lambda equal to 0. Only the constant term will be changed. 4x minus 3y would be same. Plus 2, instead of plus 2 I write the plus lambda. So this line will be parallel to this one. Okay, so this is at a distance of 3 by 5 from the origin. Okay, so from the origin, so I just consider this line, right, as 4x minus 3y plus lambda equal to 0. and this is the point P, say, or O 0 comma 0 origin. So distance from here to this line, perpendicular distance is 3 by 5. So distance from this is 3 by 5, basically is what? 3 by 5 is, just I will use the distance formula. So putting the value of x and y 0 0 in the line. So this is 0, 4 into 0 minus 0 plus lambda in mod, and divided by what? Under root 4 square plus the coefficient of x and minus 3y, 3 the whole square. So this is what, if we remove this mod here, so this will be plus minus 3 by 5. So this is lambda equal to what? Lambda by, this is under root what? 16 plus 9, 16 plus 9. So we get here, this is equal to what? 3 by 5, 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5 equal to lambda by 5, right? Lambda by 5, because root 25. So 5 and 5 even I cancel this. So we get lambda equal to plus minus 3, plus minus 3. Okay, so we get lambda equal to plus minus 3. Therefore the equation of line is, therefore the equation of line is 3x. What we have here? We have here the 3x, 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y. So I write here the 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y plus lambda, so plus 3, or other equal to 0, equal to 0. 1 minute, let me erase this. So this is what here, equal to 0, equal to 0, or 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. So these two lines are parallel to the given line. So now in the question what is asked here, which points lies on this, then which of the following points lies on the lies on any of these lines. We get the two lines here. So we have to just check with this line. I will just substitute this point A option. I will check with the A option. Minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. So minus 1 by 4 comma minus 2 by 3. I will substitute this value in the first equation. So this is what? 4 into minus 1 by 4 minus 3 into what? Minus 2 by 3 plus 3. So 3 and 3 get cancelled, 4 and 4 get cancelled. So we get minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, the first point we get here, the first point जो कि satisfy कर रहा है equation of line को and the first equation. So the first option is the correct option. Okay, let us continue with the next question. So next question, here we have the question number 5 here, right? Question number 5 you can see, right? So the region represented by, so what we have here, the in mod, what we have here, mod of x minus y less than equal to 2. What we can write this as? Minus 2 less than equal to x minus y less than equal to 2. And what we have the other set of equation here, in mod x plus y less than equal to 2. For this we can write minus 2 less than equal to x plus y less than equal to 2. So to draw this line, x, basically what? X minus y equal to minus 2, x minus y equal to 2. So the shaded region we will get here. So first, this is simple here. This is x dash. So you can plot this, you can draw this line. So x plus y equal to 2, this will be the line, x plus y, right? X plus y equal to 2. This is the line x plus y equal to 2. So this point will be 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2, 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. Next one is what? X minus. So this way you will get this other line, right? So this will be what? X, if you see here, x minus y. So x minus y, if you draw this line, x minus y equal to 2, right? X minus y equal to 2. So here x is 0, y is x, y. X is 0, y is 0. X 0, so y is minus 2. Y is 0, x is 2. Y is 0. So this line, right? So this will be the line. Okay. So this point is your what here? 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. And this is your line. Which line? X plus y. When you put here x plus y equal to minus 2. X is 0. X plus y equal to minus 2. When you put x equal to 0, y equal to minus 2, y equal to 0, x. So this will be the line, right? This line will be your x plus y equal to minus 2. So obviously then this line will be what? This line will be your, this is the line that you have written here is x minus y equal to minus 2, right? And this line is your x minus y equal to minus 2, x minus y equal to minus 2. So we have drawn this. So just let this be a point, this is b point, this is c point, this is d point. Okay, now we have to check, is this a square, rhombus, and right, a square, rhombus, whatsoever. So if you find the distance, of all these sides, what do we get? A root 8, 0 minus 2, so the whole square, that is 4 plus 4, so this is root 8, right? Even this one is root 8, this one is root 8, this one is root 8. Okay, so we get here the sides are equal. But in rhombus also all the sides, each sides are equal, but diagonals we have to check. Diagonals intersect 90 degree even in rhombus, but diagonals should be equal in square, right? So what do we get here? The 2 unit above 2 unit, so this is what, 4 unit, right? And this is what, 4 unit, right? So this is square, right? Square with sides, what? Square with side, if you see the sides, is what here? 2 root 2. 8 root 8 is what? Side is what? Side equal to root 8, so that is 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2 units. So the correct option here is, if you see the correct option, the option number C is the correct option, right? So hope you will be clear with this all 5 questions. I will come with the new sets of question and their solution. Please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.